Hi, today I'll be showing the offline application demo. It's a sample application which is available to our customers to customize as they wish. I'm here looking at the Forge, which is a repository of reusable modules that different people publicize. And if I was to look for inspections, in here I can see the inspections application. I can go into it, get details as to how it was written. I can see other components that it requires. All of this is free and available for anyone, but you see that there's a component called Offline Apps component, and this is important because it has all the intelligence required by the inspection application. If I go into details, it points me to a URL that explains how offline applications are written and what considerations one must allow for, but it shows you how this application was written. So let's jump to the demo, and I'm going to explain my demo environment. First of all, I have the browser. From here, I'm pretending to be a manager who will be getting inspections, and this manager has to approve them. So if I refresh my browser, there's nothing there. Now I'm going to click on Reflector. Reflector allows me to show you what my tablet has. So this is a tablet application. In this session, I am pretending to be the inspector. Right now, the inspector is online and downloaded 2 different inspections that they are required to accomplish on that day. Let me explain this toggle switch here. This has nothing to do with the inspection application, nothing. But I need it in order for this demo to work, because if I was to disconnect from the Wi-Fi to pretend to really be offline, then I wouldn't be able to give this demo, because I need to reflect my tablet so that I can capture it in the video. So this toggle will pretend that I am online or offline. So for example, right now I'm online. If I was to go to the first inspection, I can see that I'm connected to the network, so I can take advantage of features such as GPS. I'm going to go back, and what typically a person would do is they would get all the different audits that they need to perform, and they download them to their device. So now they're ready to execute them. Now let's once again, if I go in there, if I'm connected to the internet, fine, I can just go on and start my inspection. But that will not be the case in this demo. In this demo, I want to be offline. So I'm going to pretend that I'm offline, and this toggle switch, what it does, it just cuts off all my Wi-Fi, all my TCP/IP connectivity. So I'm not connected, and I'm going to execute my inspection anyhow. So I come to my inspection, and you can see that now I don't have GPS working because I'm not connected to anything. But it shows me the location of my customer. So I'm going to go ahead and start my inspection. And I see that I have some data that I can fill in. So I'm going to explain that it's a well. I'll put some numbers here so that let's remember those numbers, because we're going to see them in the back end later. Let's see here, another number, 77, and I make some changes, and I go next. And let's say that I need to fill in some more information. Let's see, information about my target. But here, the cool thing is I don't need to be typing serial numbers and things like that. I could take advantage of my scanner, and I'm going to scan something. So I scan some information, so I don't need to re-enter that. I can also take pictures. Let's take pictures of what I am trying to inspect. So I'm going to use that photo, and let's take another one. Just let's say there's some other angle I'm trying to capture, and I use that photo. And now I go next, And now I'm the auditor, so I sign my name, and then I pass my tablet to my customer. My customer enters their signature. I have all the data I need, and I submit for approval because I need my manager to approve my inspection. So let's see what happens on the back end. If I look in the browser and I refresh, my manager still has no idea that that inspection has been conducted. Once again, I'm going to refresh my browser. Nothing happens. Now let's go back to my tablet. And in my tablet, let's say that I go back to the office and suddenly I get connectivity again. As soon as I get connectivity, my data is uploaded to my server. So when I come here, that same manager, when they come to the screen, they see that the data has come in. So all the different inspections have come in from my inspector. I click, I see the two pictures that were taken. I see the signatures that I can save in a back-end system, and I have everything I need. So now I can approve. And if I'm the person in the behind the scenes, the person in the other end, like if I go to another inspection, but let me come back to the original screen, I will see that this has been approved. Thank you very much for watching.